Hello friends, in this video I'll be talking about the factors that can affect the basicity. Particularly we'll be discussing the aromaticity factor, how aromatic character can affect the basicity of nitrogen containing compounds. Previously I have discussed more than 10 factors about basicity, how those factors can help you to predict the nature of the nitrogen, that which nitrogen is more basic and which is less basic. And apart from that, I have made videos regarding the acidity as well, factors that can affect acidity. If you haven't watched those videos, please watch so, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe, and if you have already subscribed, thank you. Okay, let's get back to the topic. So which is more basic, pyridine or pyrrole? So consider if they are protonated, like this one, like any base can pick proton, that's why we call it a base. So when nitrogen in pyridine picks proton, it still remains aromatic. When the nitrogen of pyrrole takes proton, it becomes not aromatic. Okay, so and pyrrole reacts with acids at C2 positions instead of NH. So this shows that how aromaticity can affect the basicity of nitrogen containing compounds. So pyrrole is least basic than pyridine, hence because of the aromatic character is destroyed in pyrrole because of the protonation at nitrogen. So since reaction with acids destroys aromaticity in pyrrole, hence it is a weak base. So conjugate acid is not aromatic, that's why pyrrole is less basic than pyridine. Even though both are aromatic at the neutral state, both have nitrogen's atoms again, and both nitrogens have same hybridization, but both are aromatic in neutral state. But after protonation, the pyrrole becomes not aromatic, hence it is weak basic compared to pyridine. I hope you like this video and understood the concept. See you, bye.